Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI design platform called Rankwell. So to get started, Rankwell is an all-in-one platform designed to help you create content at scale and optimize your website for better search engine ranking. Consider it your secret weapon for content marketing, whether you are a seasoned SEO expert or just starting out. We've built in a Rankwell to be easy to use, even if you are not a technical whiz. It's a software solution that helps you optimize your part of your content editing strategy, from deep research and keywords identification to generating long-form, flows-free, and helpful content. Rankwell combines the latest in AI SEO with a priority stack of advanced SEO features, including an AI SEO writers to create undetectable relevant keywords and a meta description straight out of AI. Whether you focus on your website, YouTube video content, Facebook marketing, or building your brands across the web, Rankwell can scale your efforts to design to help you create a content without human expense, allowing your teams to focus on other more core aspects for your business. Now, talking about the good side and the bad side of this platform, it is good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform before diving into it. So I'm not just going to explore the good side and the bad side of this platform to help you make an informed decision about this platform. So talking about the good side, it's an AI powerful content creation. It comes with an AI powerful content creation. Does it help you with a comprehensive SEO tools, and also it has a user-friendly interface which makes it more easier to access, and the scalable solution. It also boosts a website visibility. Help you boost your website visibility. Now talking about the downside, the AI content is quality and the reliance on AI can be a notch, and the limited customization, which means you have the limited access customization on the platform, and the integration is very limited. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and what your reviews are all about. Thanks.